Hi, everybody. Kelby Parton here again with my MIT 805 Assignment 2 Part 2 review. I'm using Screencastify to record. And to start things off, I'll talk about the synthesize. What was new learning for me and what aspects of the work surprised you? So I guess I don't know how new it is, but I use Google Slides a little bit. I mean, if I ever have to make a PowerPoint, I don't make them nearly as often as I did in my undergrad. But I do use it somewhat, but not much. But the new part for me was that I didn't know you could even change, your page setup. I guess I like on a Word document. I didn't know I could make this to where it would be the same size as whatever you want it to be or to fit on a sheet of paper. So I thought that was really cool. Learn how to make a ebook out of Google Slides document. Um, what challenges do I did I face throughout the creation process? I think not having a partner for this was very difficult. I think you can kind of tell that this assignment's geared towards group work. And while I think we have had some great projects in this course, and I think everyone's doing a good job with their assignments, it's kind of tough to do like this project. I mean, it feels lackluster for me. I know I didn't do the best I could do on it, so I think that was challenging, not having someone with me to bounce off. But what can you do with 5 students in a class? So I understand that. But I think that was kind of a challenge. I really needed someone, and I could have connected with my peers doing it uh, like that. But that would be one of my biggest challenges. With I just it was I really wasn't sure if I was doing a great job with it and if I was hitting the nail on the head, and I kind of rushed it. I know I did, just with the time crunch here in the last week or two of school. But yeah, that would be my biggest one. Probably having someone to work with would have pushed me better to do a better job on this assignment. What two ISTE standards best represent what I've done for this project? So I went with 2.1C. Stay current with research that supports improved student learning outcomes and include findings from learning sciences. So this assignment, if you went through mine, I went through a lot of research articles and that go about the social media and everything. So I think that would be, we need to continue and keep up to date with modern research and stuff that's not 20 years old, because technology changes so fast. You need to make sure all of that research is, you know, of this, uh, of the last 10 years at least, if not probably 2 or 3 with the way technology goes. And then I also chose 2.3.D, model and promote management of personal data and digital identity and student data privacy. My assignment's based off social media, so I think that was a big one for this project, because that kind of ties the whole thing together. That yes, there's a bunch of bad things that there's a bunch of bad effects that can happen with social media and our students. But if we are models that promote the correct use and how to take care of yourself online, then those negative effects should be null, because your students should know what to do on social media. Other things from that I took away from some of the other people's work, and at the time that I posted this, I had looked at this one, which I believe is Jacqueline's, and I had looked at this one. Yes, that was Megan and Brendan's. And so what I liked about this one is you could tell you guys just killed it as a group, and everything looked smooth and good. And I mean, it looks like it's just great. I mean, the way that everything comes together, there's not too much going on everything. It's easy to read. There's not too much just blah, 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 like regurgitated information. I really liked this 7-point bullet list over a CSCL. And then on Jacqueline's, I really liked, I think this is probably what I was kind of shooting for mine to look like. And I know it doesn't look anything like it. Like, this is just a great job on when you're doing something on your own. going into more of it than just regurgitating information from research like I did. So I was really impressed with both of those assignments. And I would like to take that to make my review. I